Okay, today we're going to be installing this short shifter. I don't know if you can capture that. It's going to be for shorter throws for our Nissans. So first thing we gotta do is remove our air intake. If you have a factory one, then it's going to be a different process, but this is a short ram intake. So we just disconnect the mass airflow, and I disconnected the breather hose. And you just gotta get a flat head and just unscrew that, and this thing should come off. Just to this side. Okay. Now down here, where we want to locate it at is right over here. This is the transmission linkage right here. I don't know if you can capture it. This is the transmission linkage. So what you want to do is you want to just take off this pin that holds it in place. Put that pin aside. And then this just pops right off like that. So you want to put that to the side. And then we're going to grab our short shifter. And that's how we're going to do it. Now that the linkage that just came off, the shifter cable, the cable is going to be, you see how it shows a hole right there? The hole is going to be inserted into here. And then this is going to go where the factory spot was at. And so we're going to put it, the hook is going to hook right over here. That's where the hook is going to be placed to grab onto the trans. So this is how we're going to do it. You can pull the cable back and forth. You see it pulls back and forth. So just connect it right into there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just connected it onto the bottom of the short shifter, and then I just placed the short shifter. I'll move this real quick. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. So there's the short shifter. It's connected right there. It's going to be, we're just going to slide it onto the factory connector now. So there we go. Just like that. And it just slides right in place. As you can see, if we get an overview right here. So the hook is hooked on against this. The shifter cable's in the short shifter itself, that little stub that came out, and the short shifter hole goes in where the factory hole is at. And then all you gotta do is grab the little pin that locks it in place, and then that's it. That's how you install the short shifter. Now if you guys have any trouble, just please let me know. This is a really simple install, and it really helps with the throws. It gives you a shorter throw for quicker shifts. This one reduces from 40%. I got this one from Andy Auto Sports. So it really helps with shifting. You gotta get kind of used to it, but it really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching, and hope this helps out. Thank you.